Welcome back, everyone. Sorry, got late by 2 minutes. How is everyone doing? Are you guys okay? Good, fine, fantastic. How was your week? Tell me this. Was your week good? Great. I have some camera issues today, so the image might not be that good. Anyways, yes. So, what were we discussing earlier? I will be resuming from there, but the topic of the video, which is obviously it's like this whole stream is going to be about this whole 61.8% retracement concept, and side by side I will be doing some scalping as well, and I will be discussing the setup as well today. So I was planning today, let me reduce the fan volume a little bit, okay? Okay, I said turn down the volume of the fan. Actually, I mean the sound was disturbing in the stream. Let me put it a little bit this way. Now we are, let me sit comfortably. We are absolutely good to look at the market for how much time? For almost 2 hours. Okay, I will be right here. So the format of the live stream every day. Okay, just one moment. It was weekend, so the table is a little bit messy. The format for these streams will be, I will bring one educational topic. It should be there. It should be in my streams. Then one intraday gold setup, nice, easy. Okay, these two things I need to bring to the live streams. Then along with the gold, to discuss the euro US dollar, GBP USD, USD JPY, dollar index, mostly the majors, and the dollar CAD, and obviously I do all of the practice right here. Okay, did you see this price action video on gold that I uploaded yesterday? This high and this low. The 61.8% retracement, my friend, I said, is a bigger level. Okay, it can be like everything. Remember, the bull's eyes are on this level. The bull's buyer, I mean buyer is willing to buy right here, and the seller is willing to sell right here. So this is such a place on the chart. Okay, so the more, remember, the more time it spends between these two levels, 46.40 and 45.53, the deadly it will become for the lower time frame traders. How do I know? Because my friend, there is, I hope you see my price action video. I hope, because there is something happening. And first of all, congratulations my friends for that day. On Friday we were waiting for this level, then it came down till here, and then this was that winning setup. So congratulations to all of you. I couldn't book this 850 pips. Okay, my eyes is somewhere else today, but let's wait a little bit for the confirmation, my friend, and see. If I want, let's say, to take a risk of 40 pips is nothing. 37 pips of a risk can give me 132 pips of a profit. And this is a very small trade I did just to understand the market, that how this market is on Monday. So I throw the ball. Let's see if it take a bounce or if it go for a 6. Okay. Stop loss is way too compromised. Okay, because ultimately it came near its support, and from this support it took this rejection. So yes, this rally, the first time it come back down till here, that was fine, but obviously after that I didn't discuss this move on the H1. It can do anything right now. Okay, anything. I mean, on the lower time frame is bullish, so let's see. I throw the ball. Now I was saying, my friends, this place, you see, the buyer is interested in it, the seller is interested in it. Obviously the buyer want to take it to 52.31 again, and the seller wants to do what? The seller want to take it down to this support. That is 4104. So these whole things I will be discussing today. Okay, pretty much good tight day it will be, learning day it will be as well. Okay, let me head over to your chat if there is any. HK Wines, hello. CV Guela, hello. Great, HK Wines, that's great. So this is a little scalping setup. Let's see what it does to us. There is a lot of content still in the process. My friends, what do you think? Shall I book this 20 pips from the market? I mean, immediately it's giving me this 20 pips. Because then who knows after this where it go? Let me check my webcam. My friend, I'm very small right here. Let's talk a little bit face to face. Little bit. I mean, not much, but I mean little bit. This much we should talk to each other. My chair is so much messy. Okay, so much messy, my friend. I'm going to buy myself a good chair very soon. Gaming chair. Actually, I want to see, there is a psychology I want to tell you. Maybe it's with you as well. When I am into a trade, especially on gold, for some reason I cannot like focus on other things. This is something maybe. I just go like into a very, very silence zone. I'm not sure why, but it happens to me. Maybe it became my habit that when I'm in a trade, especially on the 1 minute, I like to watch it as if I'm watching a good match, a beautiful, and I enjoy each and every candle of it. Because at one side is my decision, okay, and even that is not such type of a decision. If that go wrong, remember my friend, decision never go wrong, okay. This is just the market and we need to accept it. Stop losses will always be there. So let's see, let's wait for this trade to close, then I head over to that 61.8, because this is way too much interesting level for the bulls and the bears, both of them, and there is a very strong logic behind it as well, okay, a very strong logic. What do you think? Shall I book this 21 pips and leave? Just leave? But remember what? What if it was a drawdown trade? I would be saying, nah man, wait a little bit, wait a little bit. So if for a drawdown trade we can wait, then the setup about which we are from our side 100% sure that it is going to work, then why we don't wait for our working setup? Do you know why we don't do that? Is because we are afraid of the stop loss hit. And as a forex trader, if one cannot understand this, that stop losses will get hit and we may not be able to do anything, but that only if one follow the right way. Because the over the weekend someone contacted me, and that person lost on the buy of gold when it was crazy dropping. My friend, how many recorded videos do I need? How many videos do I need to make? Because there are dozens and dozens of topics. See, since morning I am recording these videos right here. See further. How many of them? Please understand little things from your side as well. Don't leave everything to the mentor. My friend, what do you say? 55 pips it's giving me. And I think by now you should understand that I'm not very much greedy. I just take my share from the market and then leave. Okay. So now I'm right here a little bit getting greedy. Why? Because I'm also waiting, my friend, today for a sell. For a sell at what price point? It is 61.8%. So see, with a 37 pips I can easily make 87 pips. Now if I am not booking it, is not the fault of the strategy. Okay. So if I increase this stop loss till here, then I can say there is a probability I can target that. Okay, because on the lower time frame there is that trend line study as well right here, which is indicating on this specific time frame as a bounce from right here. So still that is 307 pips. But my friend, this trade may then take a little bit of time. So what do you suggest? Shall I close this, book the profit and focus on the topic, or like do what you guys suggest? Okay. If you want to see candle by candle commentary or trading, I can show you that along with discussing the 61.8 as well. My friends, 116 pips it's giving me. What do you think? I mean, in one go 307 pips, it's a bit, I'm not sure if it can do that or not. See, because a lot of the bulls will be trapped right here even if the bull move is good as well. But then on the other hand side, I have a valid ABCD pattern as well. And this ABCD pattern then confirms right here. So then I can assume that, okay, I booked 97 pips from the market and I'm happy with it. Okay. Okay, yes. Here the cat go against me. So 165 pips of that loss will be. So 97 pips I made from the gold. So nice. A beautiful structure it is. Okay, if one is willing to hold, can obviously hold till at this stage. I think today's topic is again gone. Okay, because when I focus on the trades, I just forget everything. Literally I forget everything. This triangle was then broken. Okay, this is that previous stuff. So see, this is that Friday's level and market is entering back there. Okay, no big rocket science in this. And this level, this one, you see, to me I think this is a little bit suspicious. This is what? This is suspicious. What does that mean? That means that right here it may not further work. Okay, so it is further going 314 pips. This is crazy going up. And for example, if one say we are bearish, see at this stage we have this little consolidation area. So then on the basis of this theory, my friend, in approximately 1 hour and 39 minutes, this candle is going to close this H4 and it will be deciding what it can do next. So if the market is this much beautiful, let's then make money today. Okay, here I will be taking one aggressive entry. Okay, this level, see, it did not work. So I took, my friend, aggressive entry of 110 pips. Let's see, and a take profit of how much? Of 288 pips. But maybe right here I change my mind and I close all of the decision. This is not that type of a setup which I will bring into my forecast or streams. Okay, These are my personal trades. For you, I will be dedicatedly bringing some setup. Let's see, maybe right here. Okay, 4609 today. A little bit with patience. My game is a little bit, now I'm easily stuck in the market. It's good because now I know that I'm stuck and I have no sort of any regrets. Right here, my friend, if we see, there is this 61.8% retracement, as you can see in the title of this stream. Okay, so if this 61.8% is there, obviously bulls will be trying to join this level. Don't you think so? They will be joining. Let me change these cells. Someone gift me a gaming chair. Joking. Joking, my friend. Good. And these bulls are waiting from when? From 16th of April. Today is 4th of May. I mean the monthly traders, the position traders, they were waiting for this level. Why they were waiting for this level? Because this is A to B, this is B to C, and obviously C to D will be this. So now the ball is, and this area is 61.8 right here. See, my friends, now this, if you see, the bulls are entering into the market. Why? Because they are looking at this, followed by a very nice support trend line as well. So, well, yes, it makes sense. Now let me tell you why the seller is willing to hey, let me check my audio. Is it good today? Yes, it's good. Great. So what I was saying, yes, why the sellers entered into the market. Oh, gold stopped out. No problem. So on the gold daily time frame, have a look at this, and this is again a 61.8% retracement area. This, now I ask you, this is the sell area, this is the buy area on the daily chart. So on the H4, what traders will be doing? Obviously will be buying H4. But my friend, at the same time, when it reverses from the 61.8% retracement, it is also showing us this level. Remember, and when price enter into such zones, it becomes crazy. It becomes what? It becomes crazy. So that's why sellers are trying to push it till here. Buyers are trying to push it up there. Who are strong? See, let's launch Epic Pen. Let's launch it. Anyone who is buying, my friend, anyone. Yes, Epic Pen. Right here is buying because they think that this is a pattern. This area is their pattern, a start of something new. Okay, why? Because the market is keep trading above this particular trend as this. It even it even took a 61.8% retracement, because if you see, this hole is a bigger A, B, C, D to the top side of the market. Got it? From here A, B, C, and that's the D. And now on the daily time frame, another ABCD pattern is suggesting us this. What is the hurdle? So what is the problem? Why the bulls are not appearing? Why they are not taking it as this suddenly? This move took almost like 15 to 20 days. So this move can also be maybe till the end of the May or till the mid of the May. That depends on how much volume we get into the markets. Clear? So this is why it is bullish. The problem people are facing right now, the bulls, because market is bearish at the same time as well. See, remember, if a bullish ABCD is as this, A, B, C and D, you can very easily find such setups in these charts, especially on the lower time frames. So this is bullish for buying. Okay, bullish. How is the bearish? The bearish is this, A, B, C, and right here is the D. So this is bearish one. This, you see, this is a bearish ABCD. This is a bullish ABCD. Its C point recommends 61.8% retracement. 61.8% retracement, it already suggests right here for a buy point C. and right here the point C, which is also 61.8%, but this is A, this is B. This is a corrective wave and this is for a sell. And now what is happening on this chart? To the sell side, this is now playing. To the buy side, this is now playing. And here most of the traders get confused. Okay, that we should plan for the buy or we should plan for the sell. And there is a very clear and easy solution to it. And I want to ask you this question. Okay, let me know in the chat box. HKONs, I think you are also like, want to get married. That's why you need gold. Okay, and real Siober GBPUSD buy. Okay, I will discuss. Yes, very good audio, great. Yep, good audio, great, because over market is still okay. Sir, check 1 minute chart, an uptrend line got broken. How can I trade? My dear HK Wines, first I asked you something. Market is not going anywhere from us. It will be giving us opportunity. First answer me, what question did I ask you? How do the sellers know right here that when we will be selling, and how the bulls will know that whether we will be buying or not buying? Huh? Both of the scenarios I have explained, both of them. No one want to answer how to avoid this and how to know which side we want to enter right here. It will become very pro if I tell you right here, and even if you don't reply, it will mean that you are not taking part in it then. Emotions, how to avoid or how to know from what I explained that whether we remain bulls or bears. Simple question I asked you. Think about it. Okay, till then I will switch to the 1 minute to see if there is any opportunity. Okay. Yes, this chart is good. Oh, it then completed that move. Great. If it dropped till here, it's mine. Okay, it is mine. I'm willing to give around 200 pips of a stop loss at 45.43 approximately. I asked you a question, my friends. Don't go silent. Now today you have to answer me. It's not emotion, something else. HK, my dear, if we just like, market will always be as this. In normal days, market is as this, because when the sellers were selling from that top, still the situation was as this. So no, this is not the right answer. Think about it. Must just check when it comes back whether it will invalidate the levels where it started from. Which level? CV Guela, which level? Can you highlight? Okay, let me see. Sir, check. Okay, too young. Okay, sir, we stay out. Okay, must just check. A higher time frame patterns will be more trustable. Okay, 45.53 support. Okay, here we go. 45.53 approximately. This for 33. Sorry, this 33 is a support. Well, yes, it is a support, no doubt. Now let me tell you, my friends, now bulls are entering into the market and their liquidity is down below this trend line. And right now the bulls are entering into the market. Oh, let me plug in the charger to my laptop. So the buyer, my friend, is now entering into the market, but buyer has a lot of the stop loss as this, around 1000 pips. This is too much. But this buyer is also targeting for, let's say it this way. Okay, let's see, 5300 pips they are targeting for. 50% they are going to leave right here, 50% right here, and this level most probably the sellers should enter below this level. This is a daily chart, my friend. We will need a daily candle close below, then another day taking a retest of this candle, then close, then the third day it will be valid on this time frame. And right now, since the sellers on the H4 are now fed up, seems like, okay, till at this stage they should be tired a little bit, who sold from right here. From how much? From 17th April till today. So even let's say, and this is my personal technique as well, I will say, let's say even if I target at least this much, still my friend, it is fine for me. Now that same position trade becomes into a 2000 pips profit swing trade, but still it may take some time. Okay, I may not be staying in this market this much long. Why? Because maybe 741 pips of a stop loss seems too bigger, and even it's fine, but like the market has not gained any momentum, anything. Market is still bearish. Okay, and I think I might be leaving near break even. Okay, 6 pips I booked from it, loss, negative. Okay, I just don't like this area to trade. Okay, honestly speaking, I don't like this area to trade, my friend. Now I mean, like, this bull is entering and can suddenly enter, but this is a very higher time frame. 3 days at least it will need for confirmation. So I think proper patience will be very good, though I know it can continue back up, but my friends, no, not till at this stage. This plan is good. If it prints one good candle, that's fine, but if it gives us a good correction back down, that will be even more fine. 45, 46, let's say. So let's see if it dropped till here or not in the NY session. But one thing is for sure, you know, this bull is entered. This bull entered into this market. Why? 810 pips of a stop loss, or maybe even around 1000 pips stop loss, and they are aiming for 1:2, and the safest level is this 1400 pips. This is now a swing trade, okay, just in case if one doesn't know, and it can easily float around 300 400 pips negative, 500 pips negative. It can go near its stop loss, but I mean this is what it is, okay. 0.01 I took, because I usually in such situations what I do is I lower my lot size, and it will not be forever winning, okay. You see this account is growing, so realistically if we see every time it will not be growing, there will be drops coming in this account, okay. So yes, but if I say that I have like a very strong logic behind it, see, one day it already rejected from here, then another day it spent, then it formed a sell candle that suggests like sellers are entering into the market with anticipation to break it, but their liquidity is down up there near this area. Mark my words, okay, I'm telling you. So let's see, I took it, what happens to this particular trade. What questions do you have? This setup is also not for you, okay. For you is that setup I will be discussing today. I'm waiting for it. I'm sitting right here for that setup to tell you, to teach you, to practice with you. Actually, if it passes 45.50, then we look at daily support at 45.45. Yes, technically. HKY, sir, I don't understand what you're doing. It's hard to read. If it is hard to read, just don't read. Simple. Then you are like force reading the charts. Remember, my friends, force reading is not going to help you. You will either put yourself in trouble if you force read charts. You don't understand its structure and you go near it, okay. I say markets are not always the same. Everyone should understand this as quickly as possible. And as traders, we should understand that, okay, on this area on a chart where I'm trading in such conditions, I have a daily trend line that is bullish, but I have like a newly trend that formed prices, like who these sellers are who dropped the market from there till here are the sellers who dropped the market from there till here. And who are these sellers? These are the sellers who dropped the market this much. Historical drop on gold. Gold never dropped this much. So these are same people, and that's why bulls are a little bit having fear from them. Okay. So 1000 pips these bulls approximately placed their stop loss, and I think this setup justify it. The whole take profit is okay up there. With 1000 pips, it will be suggesting 5261 pips in approximately half month. But I mean, every day I have to wake up. Is my stop loss gone? Is my stop loss gone? Okay, so this is that type of a trade. Okay, there are then some trades which I hold, no doubt, even on gold. But then those trades call themselves something, right? They are then very different setups. Now on the USDJPY HKY, if I tell you, it is simply bullish. But after this bigger drop, people are just afraid. Otherwise, it is clearly bullish. Back till what price point? Till approximately 159.11. One rejection, two rejection, third rejection, three rejection it already took from right here. The nice opportunity will be right here when it come back down, because see, when it come back down, and if I buy, let's say 83 pips, I'm going to risk in front of these sellers. So even if 83 pips is gone, that's not a problem. But let's say if I buy from right here, will mean that I'm doing an emotional mistake. Okay, I'm doing what? I am doing an emotional mistake. So 4610, remember, okay, be ready for this particular zone today. We will be trading it most probably to the sell side, or maybe a bounce from there, and when the market come back down, then from right here a buying. So let's stay with me. We will be discussing that, we will be understanding that, and we will be learning these concepts. We will be looking at that, okay, if this market dropped as this, what story is being played behind the curtain that we are not aware of. But if we follow this market structure strategy, we will be aware of these moves. Okay, we will be aware of these moves. And this trade I took it for my personal, okay, and I'm not recommending anyone to trade. It might be open for long term. Maybe it depends on my mood. If I think maybe I need to get rid of the trade right here, if it was too slow, 400 pips I will get. Okay, then maybe I will get 400 pips right here, then the rest 800 pips right here. So 800 plus 400, with a 1200 I will leave the exact position, the whole entire one. So it then depends. Okay, this is long stuff going on. GBPUSD, oh my friend, look at this. It then completed that ABCD. Oh, I missed this. Why I missed this? Let me tell you. This is sometimes discipline gives us such pain as well, that we will be missing. Earlier today I was waiting for this level, I didn't get that. And this one I already missed on Friday. No, on okay, yes. This was my sell level, so I was, yes, a correction did not occur back to 61.8 from right here. So now I'm again looking for this level, okay, and at this level I will be deciding what I need to do further. See from one level it dropped, at another level it stopped, and this level becomes completely silent. Clear? NZD USD missed my buy level, okay. So now this time when it will be coming back down to take a retest near this trend line, I will not be sure if it will be breaking it or it will be coming back down for a fresh support. I will like to enter when this level is broken, all the liquidity is gone, every noise is completely finished. Then I will be entering right here, okay. And crude oil, my friend, finally broke below this level. Oh, that's great. Then it's coming back down to 90 level. I have a detailed analysis and forecast on this. And yes, this level worked for a sell very nicely. It's coming back down 2100 points. Where is my phone? Till then, you guys give me a like on this stream, okay. For growth, this is so much important. Let me announce, I'm in the process of recording a course free of cost for YouTube. It will consist of 100 videos and it will be based on market structure. What is market structure? How, like from beginner to advanced. So then you guys will have a very clear idea after that about my actual trading style. You will become very good trader with that course yourself. So from 1st June or maybe from 10th June, most probably between 1st and 10th June, the course will be launched free of cost on my channel. So for that you will need to stay connected with my channel. On Friday we discussed and Thursday we discussed the market of a king and a thief. Make sure to check stream number 91, 92. Full of education those streams were. Now my friends, let me tell you, if this level is broken, consider market straight on top of 4000 level, 4024. this level, okay, 4024, because have a look at it, this is the all-time biggest support it took, okay. This high was made in 2024. See, like gold make its this high in 2024, then this high in 2025, then this high in again 2025, then this high again in 2025, then took support for how much time, till May it dropped, and from May it started to go further up. So from previous May till today it is going up non-stop. So obviously the big bulls, you know what happened on the Bitcoin, why it dropped. There is a very big and strong seller sitting in the market, and maybe, who knows, these are like I'm 100% sure these are 95% of them are false sellers, okay. Heavy buying done here, and then heavy take profit booking, and the retailer got crushed right here. And this is what most of the traders then don't understand. Why, my dear friend, why you don't understand these things? We should understand, okay. You know, now I am into a position trade, swing trade. So now let's focus on some scalping, okay. Side by side I will be going on for scalping as well. So for scalping, let's have a patience of at this level, okay. 45, 46 it will be, and around 200 pips it can give if it dropped till here. So let's observe, as far as it stays in this blue zone, it is not free from danger, okay. It will be inside in danger, because these two zones became very headache for this whole gold thing. And price action side by side, if we see, previous candle closed bullish engulfing, this one, okay. But right here we have the first failure, and it can become the second failure as well. Like literally at each and every step we are not sure about the market, we are just predicting, we are just doing what? We are just predicting the market. And only from these predictions we get into these setups, okay. So let's wait for this retest of 618. If it occurs, can become a very good buying level. Intraday buying quick, 50, 60, 70 pips, 45, 45 approximately is the level. But if after that it go bullish, then the above sell I'm waiting for. Let's see, we will be catching that as well. Let's wait a little bit for it, okay. No buying and selling, like no selling I'm going to do from right here. I'm just holding this opinion for now. It should drop till here, then from here I will be scalping buy. Leave a like everyone. This is my little fee that I charge from you guys. I mean, this much my stream deserve. How beautiful setups I bring for you on regular basis. And how many content I'm recording for you. And how many I'm already uploading. So that you guys learn and one day everyone becomes successful. Here is a little problem. People, let's suppose if this trade go negative and it hit the SL, they will just unsubscribe me. This is the biggest problem in our traders community. My friend, the real growth, we see that over time. Rome was not built in one day. Huh? But these days the new era traders say no, Rome was built in one day. Then I say, okay, my friend, go to those who built Rome in one day. Go to them. And after years, that person comes to me and say, I have lost everything. Then I have no other words to say. I feel so sorry, my friend. But you also, years ago, didn't listen to me. Can someone refer me a very good webcam, my friend? This one I don't like at all. See? Can you imagine this is like a... Let's see if I can apply filter over it. Will be good. See what it made of me. Wait, okay, select color, pick screen color, okay. See what it made of me. Better to let it be turned off. Refer me a very good webcam, my friends. Your phone looks nice one, sir. Why don't you try connecting it to the PC and using it as a webcam? Really? How? Oh, my friend, I do it right now. Tell me. Yes, let's wait for this setup. I'm also waiting for it, okay? Thank you, HK. How will I do that? Let me connect it first. When I connect it, it says charging USB, use USB for no data transfer. Transfer photos, P2P file transfer. Wow, there are a lot of the softwares for. After the stream, I'll do it. It's good, my friend. This is a very good idea you gave me. At such zones, the market will always be as this, okay? Very hard to trade on the lower time frames, very hard. So one has either to wait for their levels or either to take a swing trade, just like I did. Observe, we will be observing this trend line, okay? Let me zoom in. Again entered at this zone. Let's see if this time it can break it or not. Yes, HK, I will be making a hedging video. Yes, hedging is our friend. I will be making a video. Okay, it has some settings in OBS Connect Phone. Okay. Okay, thank you, HK. I will do the rest myself. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you. See, this is the power of community. I get information from you, you get information from me. "15 minute is trying to gain momentum, but let's see, my friend, okay, how that momentum will look like, because the trend is still deadly bearish. Now on the lower time frame, it's going to, like, it's saying don't come near me. On normal days, you have seen when it reaches such level, immediately it gives us a breakout and quickly we get profit from it. And what is it doing today? Why? Because this 61.8% retracement is it's all about. If it break to the bottom, gold straight to 4,000. If it respects gold straight to 5,040, or what's that level? 5,068. The right turn present in the market is this, but if it wick down or something, I cannot stop it. And I think maybe today it will be making some chaos in the market by dropping it. Then I will be buying at 45.45, highlighted area near 61. This trade I have chosen for all of you. This is the ideal one for today. Even this is the safest one from the sell as well. Why? Because on the daily, market just bounced off from a trend line, daily trend line. So I mean little bit it will be pushing up, so we can easily grab that. Let's see, big volume is expected, like big volume time in next 15 minutes. So maybe by then it dropped till here and then they buy from right here. This is what I expect. And this whole is happening between this previous March monthly high and March low. Last night I made a video about it, my friends. These whole opportunities are playing around right here. This is that magical thing of the market structure and the ABCD pattern strategy. I think this today's trade that I took is a little bit forced trade. I mean, market was not as per my mood. I was explaining this is not my market and I took it. So little bit I should say, but anyways, okay, no problem. $100 of a stop loss, and how much dollars of a take profit? Take profit is too bigger, but I'm not sure with this much stop loss. It's something as, let's say with a 10 pips we are getting 200 pips on a 1 minute chart. So just now see, it says that. But then I say, okay, at least even if it go like the whole take profit, it will be showing me $526. So risk to reward is almost 1:5. But the thing is, it can be turned on for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and it can just in a day or two hit the stop loss. It is that type of a structure. Maybe till Friday it will hit the SL. Market badly ranging at the moment. 13 minutes left. Okay, if big volume comes and if I get this chance to trade, that's fine. Otherwise, maybe if we see this little trend it has established from there, it already broke it and retested it. See this area. So maybe then the 38.2% traders took it. These are very bad traders, these 38.2. Okay, I know them. We 618 traders, what we do is we properly wait for the market. But then the 38% people, traders, they then lose as well a lot. Because they bought right here that okay, we will be buying and we will be taking it up there for 500 pips, and they can. But I mean, then I will be showing you that these are not very successful people. Okay, our teacher used to tell us that either use 23.6 or 61.8. You guys didn't give me a good feedback on my recorded videos. Give me a little bit of feedback so I do it more. I don't want to leave that course in the middle. The market structure course will be uploaded very soon. I will try to do it before the mid of June, I should say. 11 minutes still left for the market to show some volume. Liquidity area being already identified right here. See a lot of liquidity built up above this zone. So bulls will be trying to grab this liquidity first. And this entire week the market seems as if it will be as this. Just 10 minutes left. Every heart is beating at the moment. New York market will open. Let's see if there is any news or something. USD, nothing major. In JPY there is a bank holiday. In China bank, how many bank holiday they give? Oh, in the British it's also bank holiday. Great. These bank holidays are like, this is my own thought for under the table talk, you know, where we are going to be opening the market with a gap and what we will be doing and what we will not be doing. Imagine, understand the market maker, MM. This is market maker and this is market maker. Understand it, okay? Let's say can be a bank, okay, and also a bank. This person will tell him to place an order because obviously this is a big market maker, he can move the market. So this person, let's suppose, add a buy 100,000 lots, let's say 100,000 lots, I mean this bank buy from here, let's say this bank buy from here. Why? Because this bank has not the power to move market from here till up there. I'm giving an example. So what he does is he buy the market right here and move the market back up, taking all of the liquidity. Then this person tells this market maker, start taking out your liquidity little by little, little by little, little by little, little by little. So this bank made this sell as well and is also prepared for this buy as well. Got it? And this person made profit, this person made double profit. This is a smaller one, this is a bigger one. So this is how big funds and big institutions help other maybe countries to help. Understand? Thank you, HK. That's great. Five minutes left, and then we will know that okay how this how this M30 candle will close. This one. Then in next 30 minutes we will know that how this H4 candle closes. Let's see dollar CAD as well. Where is dollar CAD? Well, I think on the H1 level till tomorrow I am observing this level. Okay, if it stops, it stops. Otherwise, if I get a close above this zone, I will be leaving. Okay. My good buying zone for this session will be this. 3 minutes left. Let's see if they can grab it till here. Then a fresh opportunity 45 will be the level. Two minutes left. See, this trend line seems as a branch that is separated from this cell, and this branch seems, even if it broken, this is not a confirmation that the market is further going high. So let's patiently wait one more minute and then we see what opportunity do we get. In one go, if it drop and I get my portion, that will be good. High volume time started. Yes, in one go, if it push down, so everyone can enter into this particular trade as a seller, okay, but this will be a buying level. Even the high volume is to the downside of the market, but till at this stage they seem a little bit slow. Wait, okay, I'll be right back. Confirmed entry, it will be okay after confirmation, not just a random. I mean 140 pips it suggests immediately. Rest it's up to the market how much they give us. Breakout from the level occurred. This is that place. Wait, okay. No problem, it will come. No problem at all. It will come to the level. It will do what? It will come to the level. Even if we missed, no problem. Or our sell level is anywhere, like anyways, ready for us. This one seems like a crashing candle, but let's see. Wallace, Walbeck, hi. How are you doing? Market getting beautiful, volume is appearing. Christoph, just tell me, did you watch my recorded videos, the sessions that I do these days? Remember, Forex is not that hard, okay? Forex is not that hard. It's us who make it complicated. And these days I'm working hard to record videos for you, okay? So make sure to don't skip and watch completely. Properly do 3-4 comments on each video, each video, right? You should, I know I want YouTube to push these videos further, because I am anyways spreading the right message, and right message anyways reaches to the person. It never stays in hibernation. My friend, very big bullish candle on the 5-minute. But I mean, still the bulls cannot do anything at this stage. I don't think so. It looks, see, crashing to the top, but it can crash down as well. Thousands times I have seen such situations. That's why we put our stop losses for. Okay. Never blindly put all of your money. Each and every time I tell you these things, never put all of the eggs in one basket. The basket fell down, all of the eggs are broken. This is a very famous finance saying. And when we trade right here, it means we are playing with the money. And what were we discussing a bit a moment ago? We were discussing something as emotions. So sometimes, like at this place, this is not an emotion. Let's suppose if one sell and the market go buy, can that person say this is because of the emotion? No. But because that person ignored the daily trend line. On a daily, it is being respected. The H4 traders are waiting aggressively to buy at this zone. So how come possible that we sell at this stage? We will, even if we want to sell, we will be waiting for it to go a little bit up. Then we will be selling it. So this is the buying zone. I didn't like this buying area much. But anyways, now I bought, so I bought, okay. It's okay, $100 will be gone. Month of April closed very nicely, okay. From 1000 to 1342, it is like $342 of a profit. Even if I close these whole thing from the previous month, I'm in profit of 1000. I'm in profit of $328 on this account. So yes, this is more than expectation. So I think I should get one such setup. Okay, and if that setup go wrong, I will be going for a break. Yes, this is like psychology. Some sessions on this later. First, let's see the trade go nicely. Otherwise, if it go negative, there are a lot of the concepts as well. Because level is no doubt for a buy. Now, if any leftover thieves are there in the market from the last Friday and Thursday, I can't say anything. Rest, it's purely technical driven market standing above the daily trend line nicely. Rest is our luck, okay? Rest is our luck. Great, great, Volnis Volvic, great. Rest is our luck. See, market is as bullish as well, and on the lower time frame, if we see, it is bearish as well. Even on this pattern right here, there is a lot of the liquidity right here. This way we are going to learn these things, my friends. And this is that game of 61.8% retracement. After the stream, I give you a little assignment. Do comment on this stream, not the chat. I mean the comment. This candle holding the market can be a fake one. Who knows? Maybe a bigger one forms right here. It comes down right here. Everyone selling, and this will be a buying zone, and boom, market go reverses. Market, my friend, this is market. We need to understand this market. If we don't understand the market, it's going to crush us. Simple like. Two things. If one wants to stay in the market, must learn it, must understand it, must be disciplined, must be taking every step with proper thought process. Just like I took this bigger 1000 pips of a stop loss trade. Still I managed it. I reduced my lot from 0.02 to 0.01 first thing. And the second one is the level is for a buy. There is no emotion, nothing. This is a valid positional buy entry. It can be converted to a swing, which is obviously swing. You know, if the market makers want, they can stop us out as well. But if everyone stop trading, then from whom those market makers will win? And here they introduce this secondary bank system. I gave you an example earlier, market maker and market maker. This one is the smaller one. This is me. I mean the professional retailer, okay? These days everyone calls themselves professional, but retailer. I mean professional. See, 1 minute sellers are being crushed. Understand the rhythm, okay? See, this sharp fall and this quick recovery. What does this indicate? This is a good sign that daily time frame bulls start jumping into the market. Slowly and gradually. But suddenly, if everyone jumps in right now, how will they make money then? How will the liquidity be taken then? Oh, 1 hour 41 minutes almost completed today. I'm winding up the session later if I'm going to book profit or something. Because on the 1 minute I'm not going near it. See, it is keep like what type of a market is this on the 1 minute? This is that initial sign of bulls coming into the market. But I'm not saying 100% bulls will be coming, okay? It can go for a break below. And if break below occurs, I will be stopped out. On a retest, I will become seller. Purely indecisive market it is today. Oh, anyone bought silver right here? I did this analysis earlier from the 618, my friend. This was a very fantastic trade opportunity. How many hours ago? 1 2. Oh, as soon as I joined the stream, it was a very good fantastic opportunity on silver. 73.30 as a buy and 75.58 as a take profit. So 224 pips it's suggesting us. So if if let's say gold is too big, this one also makes sense. 200 pips of a stop loss, 200, and maybe the whole setup is for around 500 pips. So with 200 one can easily make 500 pips or around 1000 pips it should give. Let's see if this whole ABCD is correct. It is going to be doing what? It will be a take profit of 522 pips. 100 for 70 pips will be enough for it. Let's see if my buy level is filled or not, if it gets filled or not. In the meantime, you guys can check this price action strategy again. Open in a new tab and play it. Price action trading strategy ABCD plus Fibonacci, and then come back and see this chart, what I say and what it is doing. Let's see, I'm waiting just for this level to see this one. Oh, today I have a meeting as well. In how much time? 11 minutes and 2 hours. 2 hours and 11 minutes. Let me notify him. You know, my friends, such slow markets always teach us be patient about the market. Yes, maybe yes. I cannot scalp right here because this position is very closer. This one. So I was willing to scalp right here. Quickly 150, 200 pips. Let's see. If it break, then maybe a retest. Maybe let's see. Let's wait. Okay. Still, it shows a drop. This trend line, you know, it has created the problem. Plus, actually, this zone is as this, which will be doing these things. Market will be behaving as this near these zones. Yes, always. Instead of crashing markets. But we don't know when the market is crashing and when it's not crashing. My friend, till at this stage, usually I recommend, you know, usually like right here, if people have made money already, then this is a pattern, but its stop loss seems compromised because it can still potentially come back down here and then take a bounce. So on this pattern there is no doubt liquidity right here, this full of liquidity, okay, full of liquidity. I'm just waiting that if this market reaches here how it reacts, because if it doesn't react right here I might be not interested in this swing position then. Yes, H4 candle closing in how much time? H4 candle closing in. And there is one more thing, my friends. This market definitely will be coming down first, because on a single wick last time it wick down, go up, closed, then straight continued. This time let's see if it is doing it right here. If it closes above this zone in these few minutes from now on, then there is a probability. This level, by the way, gave good scalping trades. See, one trade of 150 pips. This is now another 150 pips. Then from here it gave, from here it was a little bit early, but from here it gave. Again a drop. See, and now again an up move showing. Thank you for watching this price action strategy. Watch it in full, okay? Don't skip. Watch it in full. What type of market is this? That's why I'm not going near this market on 1 minute. Patiently hold one position, patiently waiting for its stop loss or maybe take profit is. Who knows when it will be. And also waiting for my scalping setup that I will be taking today. But let's see. That should validate. Okay, that should validate first. As I said, this position that I took on gold can go into 400-500 pips of drawdown as well. This is a swing trade. My scalping level is down below. But the market is not moving for the last 2 hours. Let's see in the next 2 minutes what we get. The H4 is closing, okay? H4 is closing and the bulls must definitely be trying to close it up there. Liquidity grab, maybe in 1 minute they are taking it, or like what? One minute left. Let's see. My friend, I think in 1 minute it's going to close as this, okay? The next candle maybe right here we buy 461 pips. That candle can give. Closed, okay? The candle closed bearish, but doesn't mean I'm selling, okay? It doesn't mean I'm selling. This is that this new candle, if H4 candle when forms, this will be the lowest point of that candle. This. So wait for it, okay? Wait. I'm not going, I'm here, okay? I'm just taking a little break. Okay, everyone. Let's see. Okay, it's getting even more interesting. Let's see it on another template. Oh, it seems 45.21. What happened? 45.21. Let's see it here. But still, I think this level should give something as a scalping. Okay, everyone, right here, if we see market seems approaching the level. On 1 minute, I'm observing it, no selling at this stage. Any newcomers, make sure to subscribe the channel. Oh, seems like it reversed. Great. Great. Wow, volume seems increasing. Actually, the bulls want to establish a pattern right here. But let's see. Price is also not able to close below this for the second hour. No, my friend, it is steadily dropping. Maybe till here. Let's see. I'm happy at least market moved a little bit. In slow markets, they are very boring. This pattern still it will be trying to form, but if candle closes below this, then no. This liquidity grab is going to happen. Maybe a wick down and sudden jump. Oh, if this is the situation, then it will create a pattern right here as this. And I want to see it as this. Targets are the same, but these 38.2% traders want to take it up above from here, because if it closes below, then this level become, they are also defending their liquidity, but this is a good buying zone if market breaks below, and if that's retested, then a very big drop is expected. Then my stop loss will not survive. Yes, my friends. Let's hope it doesn't do that. And even if this pattern validates, suddenly price will be going up for around 380 pips. Okay, how much? 380 pips. 380 pips. 380 pips. 380 pips. 380 pips. How much pips? 380 pips. Wait, okay. How much? Just tell me. 380 pips. Very boring market it is today. I think it's getting interesting. I think so, my friend, it's getting interesting. Oh, but then this level seems compromised, but let's see. It's not like too far away. Still it can come back down till here. We don't know what it does right up there. but bulls came in as a response to the, see, these bulls came into as a response to these people. That's putting me in a little bit thoughts that what after this market is going to do right now. The present traders who trade the market, they understand the market, but they have no power who can, because the lower time frame is clearly now saying bullish. Okay, whether from right here or right here, because even if this bull opened a position, their stop loss is 166 pips, but too early. Okay, too early. Properly patience and wait and this and that, then trades go nicely. Market is not running anywhere from us. It will be always in front of us. How many moves it gave today from this level till here? See, 200 pips. One, then this, then this. My friends, if I start to trade all of them, then you will be saying, what type of trading is this? I can just increase the account as an ATM machine, but I'm not doing that, because those who do that is for very short term. Long term, they cannot survive in the market. Yes, in order to survive in this market long term, my friends, we need to be adopting some good habits. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's see if this 5-minute candle closes as a bullish engulfing. Yes, it did. Let me zoom in and let's see. Yes, no, not an exact bullish engulfing. This type of a crazy market is this. See, a big volume candle and a drop after that means this was fake. Who knows, they are fake or real? We don't know. We will know them once. Let's wait few candles if the price reaches there, so we know that what are these people. But sort of like, my friend, it established this pattern. As this. By the time people buy right here, and it will be doing this, and the trader will say, oh, why I lost, trend lines doesn't work. My friend, who is telling you to buy right here? When the market was ready to be bought, one didn't bought. Now why buying there? My friend, bulls came in with strong power. See, strong power they came in. 45.92 they are planning for. But for a long time they cannot do it. They can what? They cannot do it. Let's see this time what they does. Let me head over to your chat. Seems it's respecting the trend line. Master, we are seeing 24 karat fake gold today. I think so. Master, this gold is fake today. till now so far, this is now the new situation. Okay, this is the new situation. I would definitely recommend a buy, but from right here, my friend. And that market made 152 pips move right here. Let's see, we have some good sell levels as well. It's anyways going nicely up there with a good like 177 somewhere. Good 300 one can observe, maybe more than this. Okay, maybe more than 300. Nicely. Those who understand don't need shouting. But right here we need to be a little bit alert. 45.84. Market is anyway slow, and on a slow market, if we jump into it as this, if we are predicting already in advance that the trend line is going to be broken, how? What is that logic behind it? When I was a beginner, I used to, for example, this trade go few moments ago, it was in negative, huge negative 150 pips, and now again it came to 14 pips. Let's say I would have closed when I was a beginner. Later I know, no, my friend, this way how do I know for which setup I need to give less SL and which to give more SL and more TP? SL will definitely be gone. So then I say that okay, do it this way. If one is holding the losing, why that one cannot hold the winning as well? I said something good or not, something that can change your life maybe. Yes, they created this pattern. See, I was sure. I think this level is now gone. Okay, yes, 45.85. And when the TP is hit, don't forget for a super chat, my friends. I'm joking. I mean, this market was so boring today that obviously we have to joke a little bit, my friend. I will die if I don't joke. Yes. How can one survive in a joke without a joke? But try to make jokes in life. Don't make your life a joke. Pro stuff I gave, my friend. I say it again. Make jokes in life, but don't make life a joke. Those who understand are the king of forex trading. Pure stuff, my friend. Pure. No arbitration, no mixture. Pure strategy. This is pure, I mean, like logical strategy. Pure. It feels so good when it goes nicely. I cannot tell you how pleasure it gives me. Even despite of this profit, even if it go negative now, I will have no regret at all. Why? Because my setup was good. But my friend, there is a hurdle. No doubt I'm happy. Those who are buying must be happy, but this place is a little bit, my friend, you know, again maybe a drop of 250 pips is expected. But following the bigger story, then I think maybe yes, market should at least continue till here, then we see what it gives us. But by then this trend line would be broken, so another confusion state right here it will create. So my friend, a moment ago, why I was happy? Because of holding the position. My friend, how good it feels. Okay, no overthinking, it feels so good, so nice, effortless. And there is this ABCD pattern completion with us. Here the bulls did a little bit cheating, missed this level, missed this level. So then the take profit comes right here. So this is that sell reaction area for today near 4607. Okay, I am not selling right here, not here. Maybe I will later see what the market does there. Okay, but my friend, the level is still not yet broken. This is yet another thing that we need to consider. Level did not get broken. So now on the 5-minute, big candles will be forming to drop till here. Maybe during this time it can fill this order and then boom, continue. But if it closes below this, I'm telling you in advance, close everything. Yes, it's better to listen what I'm saying than later unsubscribing the channel. Yes, 4600, perfect, nice. So TP one hit for most of the traders. Okay, but what I just did, my friend, why I just took see how beautiful, 57 pips I'm in profit, but I took this trade of position trade. But if I'm in that position, I will not be able to sell it because I will be double-minded then. So let's wait. Okay, even before the end of the session I will be deciding something. Side by side, let's see a little bit my friend, if M30 closes as this in 5 minutes, the next candle is supposed to be dropping back till 228 pips, maybe more, and then is going to continue back up as per this particular price action. Price action is sometimes false as well. Yes, what did I say? 250 pips is effortlessly dropping. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, 4581, a rejection area. But let's see, volume still seems, see big pin bar. Let's count. This pin bar is alone 177 pips. So I mean, if the market is not fully bullish, at least it can push back to 4607. I think so. Okay, while there is a lot of liquidity above this trend line, so market has to grab that as well. While if we see it left the liquidity right here. Why it left it? Wow, finally the dollar cat start to drop. Let's see. Okay, my level is still up there. Okay, now if it is that story, I think, my friend, it will become too lengthy. It will then take a lot of time. But what should we do? This is how swing trading is. It will come till here, then go up till there, then from there it will be dropping back and crashing all of the levels. So, but if it come in one go, let's see, there is this 618 as well. Let's see. Okay, My friends, I'm just trying to get this 100 pips into the market. Okay, sorry, this 1000 pips I want to risk, but I'm super tired. I have a meeting in 1 hour and 30 minutes, so I will try to have some rest as well. Plus, tell me if you guys have any questions or something. Then let's see if I do this trade. Waiting for a few minutes, and if it is still stalling as this, then in around, let's see in how much time. I'm right here with you. Or I should either close and just leave it because it's too boring. As I said, market will be as this. Okay. Or I should close this deal and enter from a good price later, maybe from right here. That will also make a good sense. Okay, so I closed. Let's see if it give another hope back down till here. Still it's good. A sharp drop, if it is a sharp rally, it can be 300 pips immediately it can give. Okay, my friends, I'm leaving. Okay, I'm just exhausted. I cannot focus on the charts anymore. I see this bullish wave, uh, and I'm leaving this buy. Okay, as this as my original 4507 1000 pips of SL. Okay, and for now I'm booking this much for now. Let's see if the market is good on the 1 minute or not. Now this market tells me to again stay. So let's stay then. If it is good, then I will stay. $35 pips further it's giving me. But my friend, there is one big other logic. If it is struggling right here, then what it will be doing when it hit this trend line? This is also one thought process. HKM right here for now. Okay, let's see market became again interesting. Look at it on the 15 minute. But like it's still struggling, okay. 46.07 for today most probably. Look at the H4. Let's have a look at the H4 right here. Seems like a clean move, okay, on the H4. Okay, this is M15, sorry. This trend line retest you see on the M15. Maybe till here. And then till here. 46.07 somewhere. But if it closes above, then the story will be a retest and a continuation till here. My ideal buying level was this upon correction. This, we missed, my friends, we missed this move. We were supposed to be trading it together. Missed. No problem, let's wait. On the 1 minute, I see a change in trend. Became officially bullish now, above this level. Till this level. Sort of a new maybe. This one seems good. Let's see if it is entering into a sell zone. We will then be selling together. Let's see if it is a sell market, then let's wait. $46.09 it should approach, but it will take time, not just like every day. Maybe the next candle open and come back down, take a fresh retest of the low of this candle. and then go continue back bullish. Okay, I'm telling you, these are the possibilities. So just don't blindly put trades, because the next hourly candle can do this and everyone will be then panic. Oh, we are losing. So nothing does that. Okay, let's wait 18 minutes further what this market brings us. Completely became bullish. This level on the 5-minute time frame can act as a tiny support. Whose TP is hit, my friend? 4583. Who was looking as a TP? Walness Volvic, did you get it? 4585. Okay, 85 it is. 83.54 it go to. I hope you close some, because now it is again doing this. But it will be bringing more volume to the market as well. Bearish engulfing on the 5-minute, my friend. But today price action is failing on the lower time frames. I said it earlier I said it. These bulls eyes on this level, and this is 45.93. Then copyright will come. Disco Divane. Let me search. But I cannot play that. If it is in the YouTube studio, I will play. Outside YouTube studio, I may not be able to play that song. I have a very good playlist on the Spotify, but the thing is, my friends, I cannot play them right here. Music. Disco Divane. Let's search. Click on the search Disco Divane. Now my friends, I cannot use them. No, there is good songs, but like I cannot use them. I can use them in shorts maybe, but I cannot use them. Why they don't make it available for free? Let's see if anyone has license available. All right, video disco. It cost around $2. Yes, $2. There are a lot songs. Marfa Hyderabadi for $9. Oh my God, what is it that they are selling it for $9, $10? Then Make Kaha Ula. Then the Carpenters on my radio. Farewell ladies. Anyways, let's get back to the topic. Market is still behaving as this, huh? Now then the problem is people will be entering from right here, which I don't like at all. This is now a bullish reaction zone as per this bullish rally, okay? I mean, quickly 100 pips can generate, but is a little bit risky, but $20-30 it should give easily. Liquidity grabbed, this liquidity taken, liquidated, further liquidity maybe if there is any. There will be a lot, I know it's coming down. This is too early, okay? My ideal plan is still this. Alright everyone, I'm leaving. Okay, I'll catch you later. Maybe on this trade, if it was open, I will update you about it tomorrow. Okay, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel that I recently uploaded, short, to the point, and I'm sure enough they will be helping you. Okay, we couldn't catch a trade together today, so let's Friday was good, Thursday was good, the previous whole week was good, but let's see. 45 49 becomes the level for quick scalping. You can know to trade alone. I mean, it's up to you. Let's see tomorrow. Okay, take care. Goodbye.